Hello friends. Welcome to the next video of the series of tariff determination process in India. In this video, we are discussing capital investment, which is one of the components under expenditure head. Let us begin with understanding the term capital investment. In order to provide reliable and quality power, reducing distribution losses, and providing consumer service, distribution companies need to upgrade and adopt new technologies in their system on a regular basis. In order to meet the same, distribution companies propose capital investment plans in their petition. Now, we will try to understand the need for capital expenditure. 1. For providing supply under universal power obligation to consumers, mainly electrification work of unelectrified or semi-electrified areas. 2. For reducing technical and commercial losses of the system. 3. For reliability improvement. And finally, for providing better customer support and cater load growth in their area of supply. Moving forward, we will understand the role of the State Commission in approving capital expenditure of distribution companies. Mostly, the State Commission provides the basic principle of projecting capital expenditure in either tariff regulation or separate capital investment regulation. Capital expenditure is considered on a scheme-wise basis. Key directions issued by the State Commission before proposing any capital expenditure are purpose of investment, capital structure, cost-benefit analysis, financing plan, capitalization schedule, etc. We will now see types of such schemes. Central-sponsored schemes, which are issued by the central government from time to time for the improvement of distribution infrastructure, for reduction of losses, IT implementation in the distribution sector, new technology, smart meters, etc. State-sponsored schemes are issued by the state government for the purposes like electrification of unelectrified or semi-electrified areas, consumer services, etc. Next category includes schemes proposed by the distribution company for meeting the load growth and to reduce the losses of the system. Mainly such schemes include creating new substations, augmentation of existing substations, installing ABC cables, underground cabling, etc. Now, we will understand what details are submitted by the distribution company in terms of capital investment. Distribution company submits the list of schemes proposed during the year with a brief of each scheme covering the purpose of the scheme, expected benefits, and proposed outlay of the scheme. Apart from this, the distribution company also submits the financial breakup of each scheme, which includes the grant provided by the central or state government, equity, and loan. Before we forward, we will understand some basic terms which are grant. For most of the central and state government schemes, governments provide grants which vary from scheme to scheme. Equity is amount invested by distribution company in any project. Loan is amount taken from banks or financial institutions for any scheme or work. Debt-equity ratio is a financial ratio indicating the relative proportion of entities' equity and debt used to finance an entity's assets. Usually, it is ratio of 70:30. Next, we try to understand the impact of capital investment on distribution companies. Capital expenditure approved by the State Commission is used in financial calculations such as depreciation, return on equity, and interest on loan and added in gross fixed asset of the distribution companies and termed as addition of gross fixed assets during the year. Finally, we will understand the impact of gross fixed assets on the distribution company. As per the Commission norms, maximum up to 30% of the capital investment is considered as equity of the distribution company, while the rest is considered as loan. On the basis of this, parameters like return on equity and interest on loan get impacted, the details of which will be explained in further videos. Hope you found this video informative and got a good sense of capital investment. We will continue to discuss the expenditure components in upcoming videos. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.